Hey, what's up, my friend? So, in today's episode, right, I want to talk about how I actually learned how to trade. Okay, so I got started in trading, I would say, back in 2009 period, right? Just after the financial crisis is where I got my feet wet in the financial markets. And the way I learned how to trade is mainly through books, forums, and blogs. So, I was also, learning as much as I could get my hands on, right? Especially on all those free resources. So at that point in time, I didn't really have a lot of money to spend, so I tried to, learn all I can, right? Mainly from all the free stuff out there. So yeah, those were my, stepping stones. And the first thing that I learned, right, is in your trading, right, it must be backed by a logic, right? So this breakthrough came, right, when I remember, right, when I was trading the financial markets, right, and I caught one very big move, right, on oil and dollar yen, right. I think dollar yen was like a 1 to 50 R on the trade, right, a 1 to 50 risk to reward ratio, and oil was about 1 to 40 or 1 to 40 plus risk to reward ratio, and that was like a huge aha moment for me, right, because that two trades alone, right, more than cover up all my losses that I had for the past few months, right, and even put me way in the green. So that, to me, right, was one of my big breakthroughs, right, where I realized, man, this stuff really works, and it's based on logic, right? Because when you ride the trends, you don't take profits too early, right? This is how you're going to catch a big wave, right? You will encounter many small losses along the way, but if you attempt to ride the trend, it's a matter of time, right, before you catch something big. So that was one of my first breakthrough, right, where trading, right, must be based on certain logic, not just based on some couple of lines crossing up and down, some mystical chart pattern or whatsoever. To me, those are the stuff that I didn't find any success with. The second breakthrough that came across, right, is understanding the meta game. So this is something that I learned quite a bit from this trader called Lensberg. I think he's from yourtradingcoach.com, and he talks a lot about price action, understanding the meta game, understanding what the traders are doing, right? Traders in the market, where they're buying, where they're selling, where they're going to get trapped. So I learned quite a bit from him, and that really elevate, right, my price action trading thought process, right? Where I start to trade, right? I start to ask myself questions like, where traders they might get trapped, where will they enter their trades? If they're on the sidelines, where might they, look to enter the trades and stuff like that. So yeah, that is the so-called second breakthrough ahead, where I'm starting to understand what other market participants are doing, and I can base my actions in the present right now in anticipation of their future actions. Okay, so this is what I call by understanding the meta game. And the third breakthrough that I had is quantitative trading, right? Using numbers, statistics, right, to help me make better trading decisions. And this is largely influenced, right, from traders like Andreas Kleno, right, Nick Rash, Cesar Alvarez, right. This quantitative traders, I learned a lot from them because they are always sharing their works, their findings, and I took those lessons and concepts that they have shared, right, and verified and do the work to find out whether it works or not. And that really, take my trading to the next level because now I have numbers and statistics, right, that to back up my own trading decisions. You can, use this as a standalone systematic trading strategies, or you can use this, right, to so-called combine with your own discretionary trading to, give you even better trading results. So in a way, I would say this is the evolution of my own trading career so far. I had quite a number of breakthroughs along the way, and as I've mentioned, right, the biggest thing that I've learned is all mainly through books, forums, and traders blogs out there. And trading, it's never it's a never-ending journey. It's not like I started off, let's say, with price action trading, and I stay with action trading all the way. No, my trading evolved, right? From trading everything and anything to focusing on price action trading and trend following, then learning about systems trading and how it can improve my overall trading results. So trading to me, it's a lifelong endeavor. I love it, and hopefully, right, you treat it in such a way as well. Okay? So with that said, I have come towards the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is all below. Hit subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.